Every collision isn't an accident, it's an unscripted movie scene. Welcome to Cops Cam, Police's New, where we decode the mysteries behind every single smash-up. On April 10th, 2025, Fresno police got the most bizarre 911 call. A woman with a knife was at a bus terminal, putting on a one-woman show. Was this a cry for help or an audition gone wrong? As officers arrived, a tense theatrical scene unfolded right in front of bewildered commuters. It was the kind of drama that you usually only see on the silver screen.
Where's she at?
Drop the knife, the first officer commanded. He noticed the wound on her neck wasn't a normal cut. It looked more like a bad tattoo. She ignored the commands and walked toward an elderly woman as if to ask, "Excuse me, ma'am, which bus goes to Hollywood?" This wasn't an attack. It was a desperate and strangely hilarious attempt to get a message out.
I mean, what I shoot you. Put the knife down. Hey, get down. Put the knife down.
Joanna Lopez, 39, died despite the officer's aid, but her death was just the beginning. Her bad tattoo turned out to be a QR code that was deliberately messed up, leading to a secret crime syndicate. Was she a victim or a spy who used comedy to hide her final message? This is the kind of story that reminds us that sometimes the most serious crimes come with the weirdest twists. May 10th, 2024, Ceres PD gets a call that sounds like the start of a bad sitcom. 22-year-old Alexander Yeps Ortega is waving a knife at his family. Dispatch chimes in. Surprise, surprise. Dude's got more warrants than a busy coffee shop has customers. Assault with a deadly weapon and domestic violence. This isn't just a family feud, it's a whole dramatic saga waiting to unfold.
Yeah. Here. Anyone in this backyard, but that's the police department can't.
Cue the Benny Hill theme. When the cops close in, Ortega decides he's auditioning for Backyard Ninja, parkouring through fences like a caffeinated squirrel. But wait, the Modesto PD brought a secret weapon, the K9 unit. Sergeant Blount and Officer Krim, with their furry sidekick, follow the trail right to a parked car. Talk about a rough day for Ortega.
In the car? That's here. Hang on, hold up, here. That's here. No, here. Just hold them there. Hey, keep your hands up. Let me see them. Hands up. Both of them. Back up. There you go. Back up, over there. Hey, if he does not comply, I'm going to send the dog off. Okay. Keep your hands up where I can see him. You see that? Stay here. Hey. Stay here. Keep holding him. Let me get down.
Ortega exits the vehicle looking less than thrilled. Then, in a move that screams bad decision, he tries to play Edward Scissorhands with Officer Krim. Oops, the officers had no choice but to respond. Let's just say Ortega's escape plan had a fatal flaw. Officer Krim was okay, thankfully. In the end, this chase proves that sometimes, the only thing faster than a K9 is the speed of regrettable choices. Just after midnight on July 7th, 2025, Houston police got a frantic 911 call. A terrified woman reported that a man had forced his way into her apartment and was redecorating her with his gun. But he was no decorator, he was a suspect, and he was still lurking outside.
Hey, come here. Come here. Police department. Police department. Police here.
Hey, come here, an officer commanded. The suspect, with his gun still in hand, ignored them and bolted into the residential area. He was a fugitive, but his escape plan wasn't working out very well. The officers were right behind him, and the tension was about to reach a breaking point.
Oh, there, he has a gun. Hands! Show me your hands now! Now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now! Now! Hey, let's get units out of here. Another sergeant, 1307. I'm the one that shot.
The officers had a taser, but he had a gun. After a few more warnings, the suspect made a fatal decision, and the officers had no choice but to open fire. Brendan Devin Brown did not survive. It was a tragic end to a dangerous chase, proving that some decisions can't be taken back.
Put your hands behind your back right the fuck now. Put your hands behind your back and get against the fucking wall. Against the wall.
A Florida vacation went sideways for a Kentucky man who just won a $167 million Powerball jackpot. James Farthing, 50, started a bar fight after another patron had the audacity to doubt his newfound wealth. He allegedly punched the guy. Then things went from bad to bizarre when he accidentally punched a deputy while trying to kick his rival. Talk about bad luck.
Get on the ground.
Do not fucking move. Do not move. Put your hands down.
He's 12, step it up. I just got kicked.
Relax. Do not. Just stay there.
The body cam footage of Farthing's takedown is wild. After his punching fiasco, he tried to make a run for it, but deputies quickly took him down with a taser. Farthing, who was supposed to split his winnings with his mom, is now facing a different kind of prize. Multiple charges, including battery on an officer. And his girlfriend? She got arrested too for being drunk and disorderly.
Behind your back right the fuck now. Put your hands behind your back and get against the fucking wall. Against the wall. Who else? The female. Taser deployed.
Was that the only one?
No, I have one on the ground there. He fucking kicked me in the face. He's fucking going.
All right, pass scan 2.
Yeah.
Over here.
In just 48 hours, Farthing's life flipped upside down. He went from a small-town lottery hero to a headline-making defendant. He's out on bond now, but prosecutors are ready to go with eyewitnesses and body cam video of the whole mess. This story proves that for some people, winning a lottery can be a very expensive mistake.
Stand your fucking face! No gun, no gun, no gun.
Today's video surely kept you on the edge of your seat with all its intense chases. But that's not all. In tomorrow's video, you'll witness even more thrilling and unexpected action, pursuits that are hard to imagine. Please comment on your thoughts about today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for tomorrow's explosive video. Thanks for watching, see you then.